Welcome to the installation guide for the Windsor One-Pipe Steam Thermostatic Radiator Valve, or TRV. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of the installation process on a one-pipe steam radiator. Inside the box, you'll find a Windsor One-Pipe Steam TRV valve body, a Made-O-Mist air vent, and an air vent orifice pack. To install the valve, you'll need PTFE or Teflon tape, a large flat-faced wrench, and optionally a smaller wrench for the air vent. Step 1. Turn off the steam supply. Before beginning, make sure to turn off the steam supply to the radiator. If the radiator valve is damaged, switch off the boiler during the installation for safety. Step 2. Remove the old air vent. If you're upgrading from an existing air vent, the first step is to remove it. This will reveal the 1/8 inch hole needed for the new TRV. If there's any debris left in there, clean it out with a small knife or a wire brush. Step 3. Prepare the new TRV with Teflon tape. Next, take your new TRV and wrap the male thread with PTFE or Teflon tape. This helps to prevent leaks once it's installed. Step 4. Install the TRV. Carefully thread the TRV into the 1/8 inch vent hole of the radiator. Screw it in clockwise until it's tight. Use a flat-faced wrench to tighten it up. Be sure to position the vent riser pointing vertically upwards. Step 5. Install the air vent. Now, add PTFE or Teflon tape to the male thread of the air vent supplied in the box. Thread the air vent into the 1/8 inch hole of the TRV body. Use a wrench on the hexagonal shaft of the air vent to securely tighten it. Step 6. Add the vent orifice. You'll find a small bag of orifice plates in the packaging. There are 5 plates, ranging from a number 4, the smallest hole, up to a D, the largest hole. In general, the closer the radiator is to the furnace, the smaller the orifice plate should be. We recommend using a number 4 for first floor radiators that are close to the furnace and working up through the sizes from there. If you're on the top floor of the building, you might need to choose the largest orifice plate to ensure you're still receiving steam. Be sure to keep hold of the spare orifice plates in case you need them in the future. Step 7. Turn the steam supply on again. Open up the control valve or turn your heating on again. Step 8. Set and forget. Your TRV is now installed and ready to be set. These valves are self-adjusting based on the ambient temperature of the room they're in. Start by setting the valve to the middle point, level 3, or the 3rd ring on the stem of the valve. Leave it for several hours during a heating cycle to see how it performs. If the room is too warm, turn the valve clockwise a turn or 2 to hide 1 or 2 of the marker rings on the stem. Always allow a few hours between adjustments. Once you've got the temperature where you want it, you shouldn't need to adjust the valve again. System pressure. Remember, steam heating systems work best at low pressure. Keep your boiler's operating pressure below 1.5 psig for the TRV to function effectively. A well-balanced and correctly vented system will ensure you have responsive temperature control. Thank you for following this installation guide for the Windsor One-Pipe Steam TRV from Castrabs. For more detailed technical information or troubleshooting, refer to the resources available through the included QR code. Enjoy the benefits of precise temperature control with your newly installed TRV.